Hello friends, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make Mysore pak at home. So as you can all see, the soft and tasty Mysore paks, we can with the perfect measurements we can make it out at home only without breaks and cracks. So before getting to the video, those who are watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button for on your notifications. So here initially I have kept a kadai. Take a wide kadai and I am adding 1.5 sugar with this cup. So as you can see, that cup measurement I am going to show for all the ingredients with this cup itself. So with the same cup I am adding 1 cup of water and I am allowing it to boil to get into the string consistency. So make sure it should be string consistency. So meanwhile in another bowl I am adding 1.5 cup of oil and half cup of ghee, mixing together and keep it ready. See, usually based on our quality of the basin flour, we will be requiring around 1.5 cup to 2 cups of oil. So in that oil I am giving a mix of ghee also, so that it will taste more good and soft. So we have to make it ready of 2 cups of oil, so that we will be requiring 1.5 to 2 cups in between. So the same cup, 1 cup of basin flour I am taking here. So now if you see, 1 cup of basin flour, 2 cups of oil and 1.5 cup of sugar we have taken here. So our sugar syrup almost getting ready. When you check with your spoon, it will become like the droplets of sugar syrup will be like a string consistency. So this is the right time where we have to mix our basin flour to this sugar syrup. So make sure once you mix it, you will mix it in such a way that a lumps free mixture of basin flour and sugar syrup will be ready. So like this, slowly. And from here onwards you have to keep the flame throughout the cooking process in sim itself, in the low flame itself. So like this you have to make the lumps free mix of it. Once the mixing is done, we will slowly start adding the oil. 1 spoon after another you can keep on adding. So like this, and give a nice mix. Once you feel that the oil whichever is added is got absorbed, then you can add the other spoon. So now you can see our 1 spoon of oil is already got absorbed by the mix. Then again I am adding another spoon of oil. Likewise, we have to keep and add little and make sure it will all get absorbed. So now if you see, almost like 1/4 cup of oil has been not used. So as I told you, it based on your basin flour quality, the oil will be required. The quantity will be vary in between like 1.5 cup to 2 cups. So we have to prepare the 2 cups of oil ready. Keep on stir this till a total oil got absorbed by the flour. At the end point, 2 things to be observed. One thing, the batter will form a kind of a layers. Second thing, it will start leaving the oil again. So when it is getting, it starts leaving the oil, you have to shift the mix into a butter coated tray. See, as I did like this. So finally with the spoon, don't do it with the spoon, because it will again disturb actually. So with a glass or some kind of a cup, like soft surface cup or glass, you can just give a flat shape to this. After 5 minutes you can see little it got dried in the nature. Then you just has to give the initial partitions, like whichever way we are going to cut the Mysore pak into blocks, like square or rectangle, whatever we feel like. So that kind of blocks we have to give, because if you leave it to completely dry out, then try to cut it, you will get the cracks actually. So that's why after 5 minutes you just give a outer cut like this. So then again leave it for completely dry. It will take around 20 minutes to half an hour's time. Let it dry. Now after 20 minutes you can nicely take out the Mysore Paks like this. So as I told you, the cuts if you give before only, you can get the shapes without breaking and all. Otherwise after drying, if you try to cut it on, you will get unshaped kind of Mysore Pak and all. But the taste will be the same. But if you want to get the correct shape, then better to give the marks before itself. So that's it, very easy and simple way. Only you have to mind the measurements of all these ingredients, 3 ingredients. That is what important in this process. So hope you all like this video. Definitely give a try, and those who tried, don't forget to mention your comments and suggestions if any. And as well, whoever watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button for on your notifications as well. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share the video to your family and friends too. Thank you so much.